Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I do these stiletto nails. I will be showing you in detail. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my nails that look like this. I will be doing a fill. So the nail polish that I have on is gel. I'm going to go ahead and start to remove it with a nail bit. This one is on a rougher side. However, I don't recommend this bit too much because it's not a safe bit. Okay, if you notice the top of it is not round, so if you touch your skin, it will get you pretty good. So you want to make sure that you do get a safe one. I have been using this bit for quite a while, so I have no problems with it, but at the beginning I did get my skin open a few times. So the first thing that you need to do is to remove that gel polish. When you use this drill bit, you want to make sure that your nail doesn't get too hot. If not, it's gonna burn you a little bit. Notice that I didn't go too close to the cuticle area just yet, because for that I will be using a softer type of bit, and now I can go ahead and work on that area, not worrying if I'm gonna hurt my natural nail. I am using this softer bit and I am getting very close to the cuticle area and the sides as well. And again, it is very important that you do take care of your natural nail as much as possible. So I do my nails at home, and to get rid of all that nail polish that I just removed, I do use a vacuum. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my area, and then I will move on to shaping my nails. So my nails have the shape that I want already. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly file down the sides a little bit more. And for that I will be using a nail file that is curved. This one is from Kala, and yeah. Okay, so you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. No nail polish is on, and now with these nippers I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the cuticle. Now you don't have to do this step, I just like to do it so my nails look I do like cleaner. To do my fillings outside because of the monomer. It smells very strong, so I do like to do it outside. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to apply primer on the base of the nail where the natural nail is, and then right after that I will be using the Mia Secret products, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just do that filling. I want to focus on that where the cuticle area is. You want to make sure not to touch the skin if you don't want to have any lifting. Now you already know I am not a professional. I learned how to do my nails pretty much on my own. So I do have different ways to do it. And I know it can be very hard to do your own nails. Just take your time. There's no rush. Just take your time and you only get better. So right after you do the fillings, then I went back in the house. To smooth out the nails, I will be using the same drill bit that I used before, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use it on each one of the nails like so. Once I'm done with that, I like to once again go back with the same nail file, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just file down where I see that maybe there's some product there that needs to be removed, or you know, if I just want my nails to be even sharper. Then I'm gonna move on with a block that looks like this. You do have a softer, medium and rougher side, and again, this block is going to help you you know, make those nails look a little bit more softer than they already are, and I think this is a very important step. And practically what I do here is I just follow each side of the block. For the nail art, I will be using this set from D&D. I will be using the gel color, and the first thing that you will be doing is to clean each one of your nails. I did wash my hands prior to this step, and I still use alcohol just to make sure that that everything is nice and clean. Now this is the first time I actually try this color. It's called Snowflake, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on each one of the nails, and then I will be curing it for 30 seconds. I do like to apply 2 coats of the actual gel polish, so this is going to be my second coat. Same procedure, and then cure it for 30 seconds. Now I wanted to incorporate some glitter, so I will be using this one from the same brand. It's called Galaxy, and practically I'm just going to apply it on a couple of the nails. So I went ahead and started patting it on. I'm just playing with it. It is the first time that I actually use this nail polish, so I just wanted to just play with it, just have fun with it. So after that, then after applying the glitter, then I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Now you are going to see me just curing my nails a lot of times because I never have a design set in my mind. I always work as I go. So yeah, you're gonna see me curing those nails. Right after that, I am going to apply a top coat and again, cure for 30 seconds. I recently saw a video on YouTube and I don't recall the name of the lady, but she actually did like a unicorn type of nail and I wanted to try it since I do have liquid gel. So I went ahead and just did this design right here and it gives you texture. So I think next time that I do my nails I'm gonna try something different, but I thought it was actually very interesting. So practically what you do is just apply that liquid gel and then you cure it for about 30 seconds and it's going to give you a texture type of look and feel to the nail. Right after that, I'm going to go to town, yes, with these rhinestones. And for that, I do like to use the Mia Secret resin. And also, I like to use the spray activator so that glue dries faster. Now because I wanted more glitter on certain nails, I went ahead and just applied more and then I cure it once again. For the bigger jewels, I went ahead and used these products right here from IBD. It is that that liquid gel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that gel and then place that bigger jewel right on top of that liquid gel and press it down and again cure it for another 30 seconds. Now to finish everything off, I will be applying some of this cuticle oil, and my friends, this is the last step. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and it is a little bit lengthy, but I wanted to show you all of the steps that I do to accomplish my nails. So this is the final result. Like always, I will see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, hasta la vista. Adios.